Dreame X50 Ultra hands-on proof, self-cleaning mop and auto-empty that actually work daily. You know that sinking feeling when you walk barefoot across the kitchen and feel crumbs crunch underfoot right before guests arrive? Last week, I almost canceled a dinner party because dog hair and kid spills had taken over. Sound familiar? Take a second, drop a quick chaos in the comments if your floors have ever betrayed you at the worst moment. Now picture the low-grade stress of knowing the floors are gritty, the baseboards fuzzy, and you're already exhausted from work. That quiet resentment every time you grab the vacuum after a long day. The Dreame X50 Ultra hands you back control without adding another chore. Suddenly your home feels calm, clean, and quietly proud. No extra chaos required. Here's where the Dreame X50 Ultra changes everything. This isn't just another robot, it's the first one that truly runs itself. 20,000 pascals Vormax suction devours cat litter, crumbs, and embedded pet hair like it's starving. The DuoBrush detangling system grabs 11.8 inches strands and flings them away. No wrapped brushes, no stopping to cut hair. ProLeap retractable legs climb 2.36 inches threshold silently, while VersaLift drops it to 3.5 inches to slide under couches without getting stuck. The extendable side brush and mop reach within 2 millimeters of walls, and the AI camera spots shoes, cables, even pet messes, and glides around them. Picture Emma, a designer, facing a client presentation the next morning. Kids had destroyed the living room, cereal ground into rugs, juice on tile. She hit start on the X50 Ultra, went to bed, and woke up to floors so clean the client actually complimented her home before the pitch even began. That's the breakthrough. You stop noticing the robot and only notice how perfect your floors feel. Imagine walking in after a brutal day and your floors are already gleaming. No planning, no pre-pickup, no guilt. That's the cascade. Time floods back into your life, focus sharpens, and you actually feel proud of your space again. Tech analyst, the X50 Ultra cuts user intervention by roughly 80% compared to regular robots. Influencer with 2 Goldens, I haven't touched my old vacuum in months. This thing eats fur for breakfast. Smart home reviewer, the hot water mop wash at 70 degrees Celsius and hot air drying killed the smelly pad problem forever. Real user with 3 cats and a dog, my allergies are noticeably better. The sealed auto-empty and HEPA system keep dust locked away. Some worry the dock is big or the app looks complicated. It's not. Setup takes 10 minutes, the dock tucks neatly in a corner, and the app is genuinely intuitive. See why thousands of us can't stop talking about this thing. Tell me in the comments right now, which feature would give you the biggest sigh of relief? Hair-free brushes or never scrubbing mop pads again? You deserve a home that stays clean without stealing your weekends or your peace of mind. Join the pet owners, busy parents, and allergy sufferers already using the Dreame X50 Ultra and seeing floors they're genuinely proud of every single day. Real suction, real self-maintenance, real results. If you're ready to ditch the chore and reclaim your time, just tap the link in the description and check it out for yourself. No pressure, no hype, just the clean home you've been waiting for.